Hey guys, Steve Hawk here, and I wanted to record this video today to talk a little bit about on-page SEO. I know that sounds boring, but I know a lot of you out there are either have a blog and are posting articles, or maybe just doing an article marketing strategy on different websites and not your own blog. But in either case, I've noticed that a lot of people are not properly using on-page search engine optimization. Basically, what this means, and I am not an SEO expert or guru by any stretch, but basically what it means is the search engines are going to look at your post, and if it has these certain elements in it, you're going to have a much better chance of ranking on the first page of Google, which is what our goal is if we are trying to drive search engine traffic. So I'm going to try to keep this relatively short, but at the same time it's going to be completely thorough. You'll learn everything that you need to know about on-page SEO here. There are also plugins that you can purchase that will do this for you. Okay, one of them is pretty popular, and I can't remember the name of it. I want to say it's 97 bucks a month. SEO Presser, that's what it's called, and it's like 97 bucks, one time or whatever. But I've always done this myself. But either you buy a plugin or you do it yourself. But you need to make sure that your post has these elements. And what we're talking about is for your keywords, okay? And you need to optimize your post for the keyword that you're targeting. And what do I mean by a keyword? And I'll just kind of explain that here. It's the phrase that someone's going to type into the Google or whatever search engine they're using search bar, and to hopefully have your post come up there on the first page. So a keyword can actually be multiple words. It can be a phrase. For example, well, I'm going to show you an example here in a second, so I'll just use this. I'm targeting a network marketing company called Network Marketing VT. Okay, and so that's my keyword, and so it's obviously more than one word. So let's talk about on-page SEO. There's, I believe, 10 elements. Let's see. We'll know the count as we go along here. But the first thing is, and what I'm going to do is type them out here. I do plan to post this below the video as well, but you can write this down so that you have it, and then I'll go and show you what it all means. First of all, you want your keyword to have an H1 tag. Okay? So your keyword should have an H1 tag. Typically the H1 tag, at least in WordPress, is going to be your title. So you want to have your keyword in your title. 2, permalink. You want to have your keyword in your permalink. Okay? And again, I'll kind of show you what that is too in a sec. 3, your keyword should be in an image. So you should have an image on each one of your posts, and it should have a your keyword as its title. 4, H2 tag. Okay, your keyword should have an H2 tag. 5, H3 tag. 6, underlined. 7, bolded. 8, italicized. I think I spelled that right. 9, this is where it gets maybe a little tricky. I'll show you how to do this. Linked back to your main blog URL. For example, mine is whoisstevehawk.com. Okay, so just to link it back to your main blog, assuming you have a blog. If not, you'll obviously skip that step and go on to this one, linked back to your post. Okay, and your post is going to be, this is where permalink comes into play, and I'll kind of show you that. So these are the 10 things that you need to do on every single post or article that you write for your keyword. If you're not doing this, okay, you're just going to have a much more difficult time ranking in the search engines. Again, I don't know all the specifics of why, but these are things that Google at least looks for, and if they're kind of all there, they give you, more of a, they give you a double thumbs up instead of a single thumbs up, I guess. So, kind of gives you more authority, I guess. So let's go over to my blog and to a blog post that I wrote on Network Marketing VT to kind of show you what I'm talking about. And here is my the back office of my WordPress dashboard for whoisstevehawk.com. And you'll see here, this is my title, and I have Network Marketing VT in there. Now, I'm also being a little sneaky, and I'm trying to target Network Marketing VT Review and Network Marketing VT Scam. Okay, just things to drive more traffic. Okay, this is my permalink, or better yet, let me click on View Post. Okay, this is what's called a permalink, or this is the URL to this specific blog post or article. Okay, so it's whoisstevehawk.com/network marketing business reviews/network marketing VT review scam. Now, when I first got started, I read somewhere that I should include a category in my permalink. I've come to realize that probably you shouldn't do that because it makes your URL to your article too long, but I can't change it at this point. I'm kind of too deep into the process. But let me show you what you should do, particularly if you're brand new or you're not driving traffic yet. It's not too late for you to change this. So we're talking about here permalink, changing this permalink, okay? So let's go down to settings and permalinks. And I'll show you how to change your permalinks here. Okay. By default, okay, WordPress comes just highlighted at the default here, and it's going to be, for example, whoisstevehawk.com. It's just going to have a page number. That's not going to help you with search engine traffic whatsoever. Okay. So what you want to do is highlight custom structure, and instead of having what I have here, you're going to eliminate the category one and just do /% post name %/ okay, and then you save changes, and your permalinks will be set up properly to be able to really emphasize your keyword in your posts. Let's go back to that post here. Okay, so I hope that made sense with the permalinks. Obviously, that's for people that have a WordPress blog. So here's how my here's how my post looks, and I hope you can see this okay. And we'll show you. Here is, well, I don't know what this is. I usually work in the HTML personally, so I want to show you anyway. Here's an image, or you can see it here better probably. Yeah, it's probably better. And then I'll kind of show you how I did it. Here's my image, and you'll see as I highlight over the image, it says Network Marketing VT. Okay, so that's keyword in the image. Then here we have, let's go a link. Well, let's see where this link goes. Click it. Okay, that's the link back to the post itself. Here we have Network Marketing VT bolded. Here we have Network Marketing VT. This must be a link back to my blog. Let's see. It is. That's the link back to my whoisstevehawk.com. As we scroll down more, we have underlined. This is a network marketing training. Okay, that's just something else I was doing. Here we have underlined. And let's see. The italicized is usually, well, this is an H2 tag, and I'll show you how to do that. And somewhere in here it's italicized. Usually a little tougher to find, but trust me, somewhere here it is. Network marketing VT, italicized. Okay, so we pretty much hit everything, and I believe this is probably the H3 tag. So let's go back to WordPress, to the dashboard here, and I'll kind of show you how I do this anyway. And don't be too intimidated by this HTML. The only things that you need to concern yourself with, well, here, let me go back to visual. To make this an H2 tag, okay, this is easier. You can do most of this in visual. To make this an H2 tag, okay, you see where it says heading 2? These are just font sizes. Basically, you're going to have H1 or heading 1, so that's what the H stands for, is heading. So you have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. And all you're going to do is click on that, and it's going to give you your H2 tag right away. So it's going to change the size. It's going to make it bigger. Okay. Now, same thing with underline, italicize, bold, H3. So it's the links that can be maybe a little more challenging, but let me just show you how to do that. Let me find one first. Okay, here we go. If you can see this here, here's the word network marketing VT. Okay, so to make this a link, and this goes for making a link for anything in HTML. So this is a code that you should be familiar with. Okay, is going to be the I always get this messed up from high school math, but it's a greater than or less than sign, whatever it is. It's this open sideways V, A space href equals quote. Then you have http:// and this is the permalink, if you will, or the URL to this post, whoisstevehawk.com/network marketing business reviews /network marketing VT review scam, end quote, less than sign, or whatever. You get the point. Network marketing VT, and then we end it with kind of this greater than /a less than sign. Okay, and that's how you make a link. So you're going to want to do this twice within your post. You're going to want to do it once with your link back to your post specifically, and then once back to your main blog. Okay, so you're going to want to do that twice. And let me just show you how to do the image, because it's a little bit easier. I mean, you can kind of fiddle around with the HTML, but you don't have to. Okay, when you click here to upload an image, you're just going to click this little box here. I'm going to go to the media library since I've already uploaded this image. Otherwise, you could just do the same thing and upload it from your computer. And here's Network Marketing VT. So when you upload it, it's going to be uploaded with whatever title you gave the image when you saved it to your computer. So, if you named it image or, or something pretty generic, you're going to want to change the title. And I'll be honest here, I don't know which one is the most important, to title or the alternate text. So I just put the same thing in both of them because I'm not sure which is which. So I'll title it my keyword, and I'll put as the alternate text the keyword again. And then you just click insert into post. See if you want it centered, you want it left, right, whatever. insert into post, and voila, you have your image with your keyword. So that's kind of how that works. Let me make sure I didn't leave anything out. Link back to your main blog, post, italicized, bold, underline. Yeah, that's it. Now let me show you what this, what this can do for you. I wrote this post, I think, I don't know, 5 or 6 days ago, and I know I'm ranking fairly well. Network Marketing VT. Oh, there I am. This is a paid ad. So I'm right below the company. Network Marketing VT, I'm right below them. And this is pretty competitive. I think it's that competitive because of the word network marketing. I don't think network marketing VT is that competitive. If we put review, I would guess I'm number 1. I am number 1 for review. And scam. That's paid. I think that's paid. So here we go. So this is what I mean by keywords too. What you type in here in the search box, this is all free, just a quick lesson here in case you weren't aware. The stuff in the middle, these two are paid ads. Okay, these are pay-per-click. If I clicked on this, whoever's running this ad is gonna pay, maybe, upwards of 50 cents, $1, or whatever the case may be. So I'm not going to click it. New York Better Business Bureau. Okay, but now once the ads stop, this is free traffic. Okay, this is free. This is what you want. Okay, because this middle section is actually going to get clicked more than the ads. First of all, okay, especially if you're at the top, and again on the first, on the first page. So this is our goal, is to get, kind of right here. That's the goal. Now, this obviously isn't that competitive. I don't always get number 1, but I do rank really, really well to get at least on the first page of Google. Some of my stuff, the less competitive, does get to number 1. Some of the lesser stuff, some of the stuff that's maybe more competitive, it'll be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, somewhere in that range. But you got to get to the first page to really drive a decent amount of traffic to your website or to your article. And that's how you're going to start generating that autopilot traffic. There's another part to this. Okay, I just wanted to talk today about on-page SEO because it's essential. It's the first essential part. And in my next training, I'm going to kind of cover more about off-page SEO and backlinks and that type of thing that you also need to get to this, get to the top positions and to stay there. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope I didn't put you to sleep with this topic, but it really is important for anybody that's looking to do either a blogging strategy or an article marketing strategy. So again, I hope you enjoyed it. Make it a great day, and take care for now.